122 divided by 2. Here 2 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 2. 2 times 0, 0, 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 3, 6, 2 times 4, 8. To find out the multiplication table of 2, easily just add 2 with the previous step. 0 plus 2, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, right? So look, 2 goes into 1 how many times? Actually 1 is less than 2, so 0 times. You can write here 0, 0 times 2, 0. If you subtract, you are getting 1. Bring down this 2. So 2 goes into 12 how many times? Look here, 2 goes into 12 6 times, right? 6 times 2, 12. Okay, so you are getting 0. Bring down this 2. 2 goes into 2 how many times? 1 times, right? 1. 1 times 2, 2, subtract 0. So your remainder is 0 and your quotient is 61. This 0 don't have any value, actually it is left hand side of this digit. So 61 is your quotient or answer.